Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we are doing today is going to be difficult for me because I think I'm going to have to declutter this palette because I don't know how to use it. I just don't. And it's a palette that I was wanting for a long time because it is the sister palette of Baroque. And even Baroque, I'm not quite sure. I've only used it once, so it might be the next video that I do. Well, it is here waiting to be done because it's one of my ColourPop palettes. But it's ornate. And I don't know what to do with it. I don't, so let's get going. The other thing I want to say is I have to get rid of my Merit highlighter. It's my youngest Merit product. I don't even think it's a year old yet. If it is, but it's, I opened it up and it was like, I still put it on my face because it's not on my eyes, but it's, my cheeky is starting, and I wanted to get the mini 3-pack they're selling for Christmas. Sephora's out of them. And yeah, the bronzer is also starting to smell. I got it at the same time as my highlighter, but this is in my project pan because I'm not. I got this just before, I think a month later is when they came out with their more product in their packaging. But yeah, I need to use this. This is my project pan. Finally figured it out because that's all that's left. So it's, yeah. I've used it a few times. Not enough, but a few times. And that is what I need to. So what else did I put on my face? So I've got the bronzer from Merit. I've got CHIC from Merit. I've got my Merit foundation / concealer. And I did use it as concealer. It's dry as concealer, and I don't think I like it as concealer, but it's there. I've got my Annabelle on. Oh, I put a little bit of this on to add. It didn't really add a little extra moisture, but I wanted a teeny tiny bit of glow, which is why I didn't use my Hollywood Flawless filter or my e.l.f. because this has less glow than those two. And I think I'm here. I haven't used it that much, but I need to finish it. It's one of those that I need to finish. Okay, my eyebrows are e.l.f. The brow, whatever it's called, Wow Brow. And I tried to put this on as well, but I don't like it. The pencil kind of breaks off in little pieces. And I like this because there's no fibers in it, or if there are, they don't come out like the Essence does. The Essence is fiber overload and they come down all over my face, but this one doesn't. I need to get a backup because I don't have a backup. That's my only one, and I don't like that. I need a backup. Can you tell I'm trying to procrastinate from going into this palette? Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is swatch the shimmers. Are you going to tell me there's only 3 shimmers in here? The black doesn't count because, or if it is even black, it's just got shimmers in it. So there we go. There we are. Those are the shimmers. I would love to put this one and this one in. Now, my problem is I'm going to try Charisma in my crease. It's a little dark. Everything is a little dark. Even the yellow, ochre, I'll call it ochre, is a little dark. So Charisma it is. I'm scared to bring you guys close. Okay. Wait a minute. I gotta do what Rose does. Rose only taps. She doesn't swipe. She taps. So I've been trying to watch her religiously because she is a genius and she's an amazing teacher. So tapping we go. Okay, I am going to put Charisma under my lash line. She did an absolutely gorgeous look yesterday using, is it Half Caked? Anyway, it was an electric green, or was it the Fluid Eye Paints, I think it was. And it was freaking gorgeous. That lady knows what she's doing. She's got a talent. I mean, if I had 1% of her talent, I'd be thrilled. And I am so grateful that she's now posting her Instagram videos on YouTube, because then I can just sit back in my bed and watch it on my big TV. Okay, now she's got her brushes, and her brushes are amazing. So I kind of have to finagle something. Let me try this smaller Delium brush, number 6-3, I think. This one. So I haven't even decided which color I'm going to use. Revival, this one. So what she does is she takes it on one side of the brush only, and then she goes into the crease and she just taps it up. But her brush is made to do that. So it essentially goes into the crease like this. Prettier, but yeah. Maybe I should change my channel name to Rose's Copycat. You know what? Maybe I should keep this palette. These are pretty colors. I got it from Glambot a while back. And when I saw it, I'm like, yes! Because you see, it wasn't one of my priorities on ColourPop. And then when I was able to get it on ColourPop, ColourPop had discontinued it. When I saw it on Glambot, I'm like, mine! Because I wanted its sister. I wanted Baroque's sister, which is Ornate. And I was thrilled about it. Okay, I need to add a little bit more of Charisma. I will try to remember to leave both her channels in the description box, because she's just brilliant. She really is. I think she's in Texas, Austin, I think. I could, oh, is it, or Dallas, one of the two. Anyway, she's in Texas. I visited Texas once, but I was like 8 years old, and it was Christmas time, and all I remember was we were wearing jackets. Oh, whoa. Okay, it's a little higher on my left. What would Rose do at this point? I will tell you what Rose would do. Rose would take that yellow. She would take that yellow, and I'm using a Rephr 15, and then she would diffuse it at the top. I might be way too close to my eyebrows, but you know what? I'm not Rose. But that is what Rose would do, because I've seen her do that many times. And look at me, I haven't even touched my shimmers yet. Okay, so shimmers. We know which brush I'm taking, number Rephr 21. And then we will take that Fever, I think is what it's called. Oh, wow. I'm going to do most of my lid, because the other shimmer that I want to use is going to be used as my inner corner as well. Now what Rose would also do is put a liner on, do a wing, and put falsies on. Yeah, I'm not that fancy. Last time I tried to put on falsies, that was a beautiful disaster. I need to get some decent glue is one of the issues. Okay, let's tap it on. Now for the light one. Okay, just a smidge. She doesn't. This is Bridget making it her own. This is Hank and Henry. I'm not gonna do a wing. I am just trying to keep it on my lash line. She did, yesterday's video, she did talk about making sure to get the liner all the way down. That's as far as I'm going. It's a miracle I went that far. But I think the brush liners are easier for me. I do remember one of the things I did for a long time was put liner on. It was always a brush liner. It wasn't great, but I did it. I'll be back and try to figure out what to do with my lips. I'm back. That line, just doing that line, I don't know, you guys tell me, but I think it makes, I've heard it so many times before, but it does make a difference. Just that teeny tiny line on the lash line. It's almost like it's finished. It's adding the bow in the hair. What do I know? I'm just having fun. I've got my Mellow and Rose, and I thought I would try to see if Awestruck works with this look. Let's see what my Odin's Eye looks like. And there's nothing on my desk. That's why I put everything away. You know what? I've got Awestruck right here. And that is this Odin's Eye in Tulipa Kiss. Look at how close those two are. Oh, my husband laughs when I do that noise, sorry. I thought I was over it. This is brand new, so I'm gonna put it away. But this is not new, so let's try this. On my dry, crusty lips. It's beautiful. Yeah, it goes. I think it does. I'm wearing brown lips. I'm just wondering if I should clean up the sides or not. And you know what? I'm home by myself all day. So there we go. Trying to copy Mademoiselle Rose. She could be Madame Rose. I don't know. It worked. Am I going to use it again? Probably not. I made the look work. I wasn't as panicky once I started as I was before. But I think I know somebody who'll make this work a lot better than I can. The girl who wants to turn me into a lily. Just an insert here. Yes, the final look. Please subscribe to my channel. Like my video. And leave me a comment. I don't know where this insert is going, but it's going. She wants to do it on camera. Are you guys ready for that? I don't know when it's gonna happen, but she wants to turn me into a Lolita. God help me. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.